Since 1956, Spartan Chemical Company Incorporated has been providing cleaning solutions for a clean, healthy, and safe work environment. The Clean Check classroom training video will guide you through proven procedures to ensure you get the job done right. In addition to initial training, the laminated Clean Check card should be used as routine cleaning checklists to reinforce these proper procedures. Clean Check's 6-step procedure organizes the work into the proper sequence for maximum efficiency. These steps can be applied to almost any type of classroom environment. Step 1. Gather supplies and apply personal protective equipment. Step 2. Dust. Step 3. Remove trash. Step 4. Clean and disinfect surfaces. Step 5. Clean glass. Step 6. Vacuum or hard floor care. Step 1. Gather supplies and apply personal protective equipment. Gather necessary cleaning supplies as directed. Materials may include glass cleaner, disinfectant, all-purpose cleaner, can liners, cleaning cloths and/or dusters, dust mop or vacuum, and any necessary personal protective gear, like protective eyewear and gloves. Anytime you clean with chemicals, make sure you use personal protective equipment as directed on the safety data sheets for the cleaning products being used. Step 2. Dust. When using a color-coded cloth system to prevent cross-contamination, select a green microfiber for dusting. If necessary, spray cloth with Spartan's Dust Cloth Dust Mop treatment. Start cleaning the classroom by dusting higher areas and items. Work your way down, folding your cloth as needed to provide a clean surface. Clean the entire area by working clockwise around the room. Be sure to dust desks and other surfaces. Finally, empty pencil sharpeners and clean chalk trays by pushing the excess chalk into the wastebasket. Step 3. Remove trash. First, clean up apparent litter prior to emptying trash. However, do not discard anything that is questionable. Empty all waste receptacles into the trash can. If necessary, replace the liner. Be sure to place the receptacle in its original location. Step 4. Clean and disinfect surfaces. Next, wet clean soiled surfaces that cannot be cleaned by dusting or those that need to be disinfected. Spray the appropriate Spartan disinfectant onto a clean cloth. If using a color-coded cloth system, use a red microfiber cloth for disinfecting procedures. Alternatively, you can use Spartan's convenient hard surface disinfecting wipes. Remove wipes at a 45-degree angle and be sure to close the canister when not in use. High-touch surfaces such as light switches, desks, tables, chairs, and drinking fountains will benefit from routine cleaning and disinfecting. Use one wipe to remove soil and a second wipe to sanitize or disinfect. Remember, when disinfecting, be sure the surface stays wet for the appropriate contact time listed on the product label. Note, if blood or potentially infectious material is present, follow your site-specific exposure control plan. Step 5. Clean glass. Next, spot clean all visible marks on interior windows and glass. Spray the cloth with your choice of Spartan glass cleaners. If you have a color-coded cloth system, use a blue microfiber cloth for glass cleaning. Be sure to clean mirrors and other reflective surfaces. Step 6. Vacuum or hard floor care. Most classrooms have hard surface floors that you should routinely dust mop and damp mop. Some areas may have carpeted floors that need routine vacuuming. Routine carpet care procedures are demonstrated later in this training program. You have now completed Spartan's 6-step routine cleaning procedure. To ensure consistent quality results, always review your work before leaving the area. Finally, clean and return your equipment to its proper storage place. Periodic cleaning. Some necessary cleaning tasks may be scheduled periodically. Your supervisor will set the schedule that's appropriate for your facility. These tasks may include spot cleaning soiled walls, removing graffiti from desks and walls, cleaning chalkboards or whiteboards, and dusting hard-to-reach surfaces such as light fixtures and vents. Routine cleaning of common areas. Hallways and other common areas need routine cleaning as well. If these areas are carpeted, they need routine vacuuming. Hard floor surfaces need dust mopped and/or damp mopped. You will also need to find and correct any gum and carpet spots. Vacuum the carpet starting in the area farthest from the entrance and work your way back. Use a pattern to cover all floor space. You want your efforts to result in carpets that are clean and free of visible dirt and debris. It's important to remove carpet spots as soon as possible. First, identify the spot, then select the most appropriate carpet spotter for the job. Follow directions on the product's label. Blot up the spot with a white absorbent cloth and apply spot remover to the spot, but do not over-wet the spot. To keep the spot from spreading, blot and rub the spot from the outside edge toward the center. Then spray the spot again, let it set, and blot again with an absorbent cloth. Flush away the remaining spray with water using a trigger sprayer. Blot dry. For chewing gum, use a scraper to remove as much of it as possible. Spray with Spartan's chewing gum remover, holding the can at a 45-degree angle and using short, quick bursts until the substance is frozen solid. Chip or scrape off frozen matter using a brush or scraper. Repeat these steps if necessary to remove all matter from the floor. Refer to your CleanCheck carpet care training materials for additional information on carpet care. Hard surface floor care. Where classrooms, office space, corridors, or common areas have hard surface floors, you should routinely dust mop and damp mop. Routine floor cleaning is imperative for proper risk management. Dust mop. Begin by pushing the mop directly ahead while walking forward. At the end of each pass, pivot your mop without lifting it off the floor. Return the same way you came, making a 2 or 3 inch overlap. If necessary, scrape up any gum or material as you come to it. Damp mop. First, place wet floor signs at every entrance. Next, fill the mop bucket using your Spartan dispensing system to ensure chemical safety and accurate dilution. When using a microfiber system as shown here, select blue or green mops for all-purpose cleaning and red when damp mop disinfecting. Begin by dipping your mop into the solution compartment and wringing it out. When mopping an area, start at the farthest corner and work backward toward the entrance. Be sure to also keep your mop bucket on the unmopped portion of the floor. As your microfiber mop becomes heavily soiled, submerge the collapsed mop head into the rinse compartment and agitate to loosen any soil. Then, wring your mop by hanging the collapsed mop inside the wringer compartment and pushing down on the wringer handle. Finally, submerge the mop into the clean solution compartment and wring it again. Reopen the mop frame and lock into place. Continue this process until the entire area is complete. Remember to return all equipment to its storage area and clean your equipment as necessary. Also, remove wet floor signs when the floor is dry. Refer to your CleanCheck hard floor care training materials for additional information on floor care. Thank you for taking the time to review standard classroom cleaning procedures. Your quality work provides a clean, healthy, and safe environment for your building's occupants.